That's his speciality. دغه د هغه ځانګړتیا ده. ځانګړتیا یعنی حاصیت. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ دغه د هغه حاصیت دی. That's his speciality. Keep trying. هڅه جاري ساته. هڅه یعنی کوشش. Keep trying. Time goes by quickly. وخت په تیزۍ سره تیریږي. Time goes by quickly. Let me do it. دې کولو ته مې پرېږده. Let me do it. What day is it? Today. نن د څه ورځ ده. What day is it? Today. Or what's the day today? نن د څه ورځ ده. What's the day today? Talk to you later. رستو به خبرې وکړو. Talk to you later. That's too bad. دا ډیر بد دی. That's too bad. When will you return? ته به کله راستون شي. راستون شي یعنی راواپس شي. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ته به کله راواپس شي. When will you return? Will you go by train? آیا ته به په ریل ګاډي کې ځې. Will you go by train? You look busy. ته بوخت ښکارې. بوخت یعنی مصروفه. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ته مصروفه ښکارې. You look busy. You can't prove that. ته دغه نشي ثابتولی. You can't prove that. Slow down. په قلاره کړه. Slow down. Can I give you a hand? آیا زه ستا مرسته کولی شم. مرسته یعنی مدد. Can I give you a hand? You lied to me. تا ما ته دروغ وویل. You lied to me. Slow motion. ورو حرکت. Slow motion. Did you see my camera? آیا تا زما کیمرا ولیده. Did you see my camera? Who is calling you? څوک دې راغواړي. Who is calling you? Do you believe in ghosts? آیا ته په پیریانو یقین ساتي. Do you believe in ghosts? It may rain. کېدی شي چې باران راکېشي. It may rain. Do you know your shoe size? آیا تا ته د خپل پایزار ناپ معلوم دی. Do you know your shoe size? I know you. زه تا پیژنم. I know you. Does he speak Pashto? آیا هغه پښتو وایي. Does he speak Pashto? She is cooking. هغه پخلی کوي. She is cooking. He accepted our offer. هغه زموږ وړاندیز قبول کړو. وړاندیز یعنی فرمایش. He accepted our offer. You are a liar. ته دروغجن یې. You are a liar. He became a policeman. هغه پولیس جوړ شو. He became a policeman. It's my opinion. دا زما نظر دی. It's my opinion. He is poor but happy. هغه غریب دی خو خوشاله دی. He is poor but happy. I don't know. ما ته پته نشته. I don't know. He is tall and strong. هغه دنګ او طاقتور دی. He is tall and strong. Ask me again. ما نه بیا پوښتنه وکړه. Ask me again. He knows us very well. هغه مونږ ډیر ښه پیژني. He knows us very well. He was sick last week. تیره اونۍ هغه ناروغه و. He was sick last week. Absolutely not. بیهی نه. Absolutely not. How do you feel today? ته نن څنګه محسوسوې؟ How do you feel today? I am leaving now. زه اوس ځم. I am leaving now. I am poor at swimming. ما له سمه لامبه نه راځي. I am poor at swimming. How old are you? ته څو کلن یې؟ How old are you? I never liked biology. biology می هیڅ کله نه وخوښه. I never liked biology. I am too tired to walk. زه دومره ستړی یم چې تلی نشم. I am too tired to walk. It will snow tomorrow. سبا به واوره وریږي. It will snow tomorrow. It's too small. دا ډیر وړوکی دی. It's too small. Make yourself at home. دا خپل کور وګڼه. Make yourself at home. Or feel like home. دا خپل کور وګڼه. Feel like home. Too expensive. په بیه ډیر ګران. Too expensive. My eye has swollen up. سترګه مې پړسیدلې ده. My eye has swollen up. Keep distance. فاصله ساتئ. Keep distance. Please leave me alone. مهرباني وکړه یوازې مې پرېږده. Please leave me alone. I am fine. زه ښه یم. I am fine. Please throw the ball. مهرباني وکړه توپ راتاو کړه. توپ یعنی بال. Please throw the ball. Are you ill? ناروغه یې کو. Are you ill? Put it wherever you like. چې کوم ځای ږدې نو کېدوئ. Put it wherever you like. I know his likes. زه د هغه خوښه پیژنم. I know his likes. She always works hard. هغه تل سخت مهنت کوي. She always works hard. This is what I wanted. دغه خو ما غوښتو. This is what I wanted. She hated her husband. د هغې خپل خاوند بدی شو. She hated her husband. I want to know. زه غواړم چې پوه شم. I want to know. Tell me what happened. ووایه راته څه چل وشو. Tell me what happened. How did this happen? دا څنګه وشول. How did this happen? From time to time. وخت په وخت. From time to time. I guessed so. ما هم داسې اندازه ولګوله. I guessed so. Can the rumor be true? آیا ډنډوره رښتیا کیدی شي؟ ډنډوره یعنی افواه. Can the rumor be true? د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.